I wanna get lost in you. Rest underneath.
Congratulations on the engagement, and I want to walk you through real quick how to go through this free course to help you have a awesome, confident, fun, magical first dance, even if you've never danced before in your life. So real quick, I'll start off for the fellows, guys. I'm not going to expect, and you do not need to expect to become a dancer by going through this course. That's not the point of it. So if you have two left feet, if you've never danced before in your life, that's perfect because that's exactly who I made this for, because that's how I started. Now, I haven't had my first dance yet, but I've danced enough to be able to help break it down and hopefully help you learn a couple moves. And that's all I want you to think about as you go through this course. You're not learning how to dance. You don't need to become this Dancing with the Stars guy. All we're doing is we're learning just a couple dance moves that you can take with your new beautiful wife and show her off to your guests, and they're going to say, wow, this is magical, this is amazing, and you're going to feel confident to do that. Now, the way this course works is you should go through all the videos, and then what you're going to want to do is go through the moves videos multiple times. So there's basically kind of two parts. The first part is a lot of the talking in terms of picking your song and just nuances of, like, the dress and the heels and things that you might not have thought of, which is why I brought Elizabeth in to help give you some tips there. And then we actually have the part with the moves. And those videos you're going to want to watch multiple times and just practice in the living room, in the kitchen. Maybe once you get a little more confident, go practice out at a bar somewhere, so that you can be fully prepared and ready to have an awesome first dance. So I hope you enjoy this course. And when you're finished with the first dance, send it to me. I want to see it. I want to see kind of what you guys came up with, and wish you the best of luck. Thanks.